First you want to rack the top slide back and then pull up the back to take the top slide off the gun and then slide it forwards off the end. And then this spring here, that's supposed to be in there, you just take that out and the outer barrel just pop off like that, and then this catches back, so you just want to shoot that. And now to remove the spring and plunger tube, just pull back and then lift up and it'll just slide off. Press the mag release button to take out the mag, and that's your disassembled Glock. To reassemble it, you simply reverse the process. So you put the mag in, get the plunger and spring, make sure you put the spring inside the plunger, and then just slide it back on, and then allow it to just slide back into the barrel like that, and then just pop the outer barrel back on like that. Put this spring in, and then slide the front of the top slide on first until it clicks in, and then pull it back and slide the back part into place.